How to add emoji on edits. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add emoji in your edits. It's super simple, so without any further ado, let's get started with the video. First thing first, open the Edits app on your Android device and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are inside the home page, tap on the plus icon so you can start a new project or open an existing one. Now look for a button that says text, tap on it. Then open your keyboard and insert an emoji directly from your Android keyboard. You can also use pinch or drag gesture to move and adjust your emoji on the screen. And that's it. And this is how you can add emoji in your edits through your Edit app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit on that like and subscribe button. And also hit on the notification bell icon so that you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next video.